Hi, I'm Dr. Kurt Wohler for Sunrise Functional Medicine. The title of this short video is Microbial Organic Acids Test, or the Microbial Organic Acids Test. So here's the disclaimer for this video, understanding that the material contained within this video is for educational purposes only. So the Microbial Organic Acid Test, what's sometimes called the MOAT, is a comprehensive profile that specifically is identifying fungal and bacterial toxins that are found on page 1 of the organic acids test coming from Mosaic Diagnostics Laboratory. So it's not the entire organic acid test, it's specifically those markers linked to the existence of microbes, bacteria and fungus. So it's useful because it helps evaluate for the colonization of mold like Aspergillus fusarium, as well as an overgrowth of digestive candida and other yeast organisms. It also picks up on generalized bacterial markers and then specifically Clostridia bacterial metabolites like 4-creosol, for example, being produced by Clostridia difficile. Now, a lot of times in clinical practice, we won't start with the microbial organic acid test as an initial test. What I recommend doing is the full organic acid test, and then using the MOAT as a recheck sometime down the road. It could be 4 weeks, 6 weeks, 8 weeks to check to see if the markers for fungus and bacteria are diminishing or have been eliminated. So like the organic acid test, the microbial organic acid test does not diagnose an illness or a disease that's specifically associated with high or low markers, but instead provides evidence of markers that might be associated with certain underlying health conditions. So here's a typical MOAT sample example here. We've got yeast and fungal markers, so we can see in this person high levels of arabinose is digestive candida. The carboxycitric is linked to generalized yeast. None of the bacterial markers or the Clostridia bacterial markers are elevated. There is another video that I have done for Sunrise Functional Medicine and called the Organic Acid Test. You can go to that and see a sample on that particular video of a wide variety of fungal markers, mold, Clostridia, and generalized bacterial markers, other markers picked up on the full organic acid test like mitochondrial imbalances and neurotransmitter problems. So in short, the MOAT is important really for anyone with a known or suspected chronic health condition like the organic acid test. That could be autoimmune, autism, chronic fatigue, metabolic, neurological problems, and particularly where the digestive system is part of this problem, or there's at least suspicion of digestive system problems and pathogens. Now, the MOAT, like the full organic acid test, can complement information that's provided from a comprehensive digestive stool test. But again, the MOAT is most often used as a follow-up assessment when the original organic acid test, specifically markers on page 1, want to be reassessed without having to repeat the entire organic acid test at some point down the road in treatment. Again, that could be 4 weeks, 6 weeks, 8 weeks. And so based on the information provided from the microbial organic acid test, more specific implementation of supplements, other therapies can be performed. So for more information about our clinical practice, you can go to mysunrisecenter.com, learn more about us. You can also reach out to us with questions, how we approach certain conditions, laboratory tests we use, not just organic acid tests or microbial organic tests, but other labs in our practice. So you can email us at scmedicalcenter@gmail.com. You see our phone number listed on the screen as well. So again, I'm Dr. Kurt Wohler for Sunrise Functional Medicine. Thank you.